Hey guys, how's it going? Calbus here, bringing you yet another tech video. So if you guys watched my video on how to make separate audio tracks for Discord using OBS for live streaming or recording and all that, you'll have also noticed that having to change it to get that exact setting on your sounds over and over and over can just become a pain in the ass and tedious. As well as just even switching if you have USB headphones going from USB to your speakers to whatever other audio device you want to use. Generally, you would have to go right click on your sounds, go into sounds, go to playback, and then click on whatever and set as default. In this video, I'm going to show you a app that allows you to set up macros to quickly switch between any of the audio devices you want with just by a press of a button, or a few depending however you set up a macro. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what you first want to do is go online, and I'll leave a link to the description below. You want to download a software called soundswitch. What soundswitch is the app that allows you to switch between your audio devices by setting up a macro. It'll give you a combination, I think like Control Alt F11. And with that, I use my Logitech keyboard to actually set up a G key with those set of keys that I have to press to allow me just to press one button to switch between all my audio devices. What you want to do is you go to the site and you download the file and install it. Once that is done, it'll pop up in the bottom right hand corner in your tray. Your icon may vary depending on if you have your speakers, your headphones set up, or whatever audio device is currently your default. What you want to do is right click on it. Mine right now is set to my speaker, so it just shows a speaker icon. And I want to go settings. So then it's going to bring up this. For all your playback devices that you want to use, for example, I have my speakers, I have my headset, and then I have my voice meter that I use to switch to record Discord and all that. So those are the main three that I use, so I have those three enabled. But if you scroll down, you can enable your monitors, your TVs, your digital outputs, all that kind of stuff. But right now, I'm just going to do those three. Now, on the bottom here is where you have your hotkeys. So right now, it automatically pops up Alt Control F11. So that is the key that you're going to want to press to switch your audio devices. Now, if you use your Logitech keyboard or whatever other keyboard you have that have macro keys, you can actually just set up that key to press Alt Control F11, and you've set up now one key to switch your audio devices. Now what you want to do is go to settings. I have mine to start automatically when Windows starts up, as well as for notifications, because every time you switch your audio device, it gives a stupid sound that is god awful annoying. So you can actually disable it or make it whatever you want. So I just want no notification, so it doesn't pop up in the right hand corner saying you've now switched your audio device to your speakers or your headset, because that's just annoying when you're trying to record anything. So that's pretty much it for the actual settings. So we'll just close off this. So now let's bring over the actual sound. So right now my default sound is on my speakers. If I press my G key that I have set up as the macro, it switches to my headset. Press it again, switches to my voice meter. And it just cycles through instead of having to open it up every time, go to your sounds, setting as default, and then close it, and then go into your game, whatever. This way you can just instantly press it, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped, guys. It took me a few days to research a actual app that worked. One thing I will note, though, some antiviruses don't like this program. For example, Norton, I actually had to make it say, yes, this is fine, because it kept uninstalling it on me. But again, I hope this video helped. If you guys have any tech-related questions or you want me to do a video on something tech, let me know. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want. So, have a good one. Bye.